We cite because we need to acknowledge those whose works shape our own. If an idea or concept comes from something that we've read, we need to say where it came from with a citation. Why do we cite sources? We do this to avoid plagiarism, which claims others' work as our own. We also want to show that we've done the work, the research needed to come to a conclusion. Think about the tagline that you may have seen on Google Scholar, standing on the shoulders of giants. Your work builds on the work done before you, and your citations show where someone can go to read more on your topic. Your citations also show that you belong and adhere to the conventions of the scholarly community. There are many citation styles, but the two most common that are seen at Saddleback are MLA and APA. Typically, MLA is used by the humanities, English, art history, and philosophy, and APA is used by the social sciences and sciences, such as sociology, psychology, and biology.